default game controller. We have our add score, our update UI. We're running that constantly so that our score can equal the string. Let's see. We'll have a float for our current score. That should probably be an int, because I don't think we're ever going to get decimals for anything. So we'll say int current score. We'll take in the int amount. All right, good. That's better. So you can't convert a float to an int. But our player stats is being found automatically. What I want to do now, so we have our score, we have our lives. Let's also add our kill counter. All right, and then what we can do, want to add the kill counter. Then what we can say is a kill counter dot text equals kills. That's probably what we would add, another int, public int, just to identify that. Kills, we'll say toString, all right. And then we can come to the enemy stats script. That's our next one we have to add to the enemy stats. So enemy stats, ooh, we got an error, wait a minute. Score amount. Change that to an int. There we go. That should be good. That was in our enemy stats as well. So we can add score. Let's say controller. How did I do this one? Controller dot kills plus equals 1. That's all. So every time we kill the guy, our kills in our game controller will go up and then display it from there. So we can minimize that. All right, so I just got to move that closer as well, but nonetheless, kill all 7 of these guys, or 8 of them. It's gonna give us 8. So that works. So let's see. One final change we can do. Come up to our kill count. Let it shove it on the right middle. And for now, we'll say X space 0. Actually, 0. There we go. Now it's all the way. So then what we'll do, we'll just hug the left, or hug middle. Middle and middle. I think that's good. See, auto size our font. Bring this like that. I think that's pretty solid. So off the bat it'll read 0, but then that's gonna change along the way. Double checking, still at 0. Kill 5 of these guys, put that at 0 times 5, and then we got our points for it. Perfect. All right, so that is the kill counter. Awesome. That was easy.